Hi! Do you know what Bada is? It's a kind of fish who lives in the fresh water, also known as bilih in other places. And this time, I show you how to go here to catch a Bada using tangkap. Let's make a move.
Bada is a name for a fish measuring around 5 to 12 centimeters that abide in Lake Maninjau. These fish live in the groups and have movement speed. These fish are very wild during the day and become very easy to catch at night. The Bada catcher must have essential pieces of equipment to bring, such as a hand net, a herding stick, and a torchlight. These are Bada. The favorite place for Bada is the flowing water. They reproduce by heading toward the water current and leaving their eggs there. Bada has many benefits for body, contains very high nutritional and protein. Rhino and Bada are not always present in the Lake Maninjau. There is a season for them, causing the price of Bada and Rhino can hike sometime. You can taste the deliciousness of Bada in various dishes such as Bada goreng, Bada masia, and palai Bada.
If you want to know more about Bada, I want to try catch that. Let's go to Manangguak.